Hi and welcome back. Here are the 3 transitions that you can try making in After Effects so that you can add some amazing and mesmerizing touch to your video projects. Let's start with the first transition that you can try making. First, it's the whip pan transition, where, in a composition there are 2 footages, this first footage and the second footage, separated at 5 seconds. And then we're going to add a camera panning transition here so that the first footage is dragged to the left, and then there's going to be this motion blur, and then it reveals the next footage. So under effects and presets, type CC Reptile and then drag it into the this video that consists of those 2 footages, and then you simply just go under transform, and then let's say the transition starts from 3.5 seconds, just like this, and then turn on the stopwatch, and then add 5 seconds, drag it just like this so that the right side of the video meets with the left side of the composition, and then you can actually expand just like this. Repeat it until there are plenty of them. Keep moving it to the left. Alright, now when there's this black area, make sure that the right side of this video meets with the right side of the composition, and then we're simply going to add some smoothness for the movement. Select the keyframe, right click assistant easy ease, right click velocity, set the influence to 100, and then add some motion blur. And then when we play it, it will look like this pretty much. Okay. We have to add some more blur actually. So blur, and then choose the force motion blur, just like this. Oh, directional blur. Alright, now from here, oh, we need to drag the ending keyframe here pretty much until it's not visible. So and then what we're going to do is to set the blur length, and then change the direction to 90 degrees, and then increase it just like this. And then from here, let's say if we decrease the blur length to 0, and then at this duration we increase it to this, and then finally at the end we paste the original blur length, which is this one. Maybe we should change the velocity a bit to 50, and then for the initial keyframe for the position, assistant easy ease, and then right click velocity, set the influence to 100 I guess, and then when we play it, it will look like this pretty much. There you go, you're done creating this transition. So the first footage looks like this. It's blurry, and then it's dragged to the left. There's this camera pan that is going to the right to reveal the next footage, just like so. Pretty easy. Now heading over to the second transition. Second one will be the transition that incorporates shapes. So like I said, the video has 2 separate footages separated at 5 seconds. So let's say if you want to put some shapes for 1 second, the shape will grow, and then it will show the next footage. So to do this, drag the second footage on top of the previous footage, and then you can try the rectangle tool to do masking. So for example, like the center of these two people will be here, and then hold the shift key to make this mask, something like that. And then you can expand it, just like so. Pretty easy, right? If you want to do this circular kind of, you know, transition, you can expand it, but first make it 0. And then turn on the stopwatch, and then at 5 seconds, it's expanded, just like this. Pretty easy, right? Fancy. Now it's going circular now. So that's the second transition that you can try making in After Effects. Moving on to the third one. Last but not the least, it's going to be the transition that incorporates matte. So let's say if we use this footage of ink, that will look like this. The black area will show the second footage, and then the white will be filled with the first footage as part of the transition. So to do this, let's remove the white area in this ink footage by typing in color difference key, and then you drag it into this ink footage. And then afterwards, you want to make sure that the key color is white, just like so. And then increase, and then go to gradient ramp, and then drag it into the ink footage, and then make the end color black, just like so. And then pre-compose it. So right click, pre-compose, and then type matte, and then make sure that you move all of the attributes, just like this. And then let's say if the transition starts at 2 seconds, make sure that the second footage lies above the first footage, and then to enable the track matte, hit F4 on your keyboard, and then for this, select footage 2, which is the second footage, and then disable the first footage first, and then simply just hold on, no matte, and then enable the second footage, and then what you're going to do is to make the first footage disappear, and then for this, for the second footage, select matte, just like so. And yeah, you're good. The second footage has been revealed, just like this. And that's how you can create a transition with matte, by means of this ink footage that reveals the second footage, just like this. And that's it for the video about the 3 transitions that you can try making in After Effects. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. From me, it's good day. Ciao!